Hey guys, welcome to Jack and Cars. Today, I bring you a full review of this brand new 2023 911 Targa 4 GTS. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Here is the key fob to the new Porsche 911. As you can see, we have a very high quality 911 key fob that actually matches the exterior of the vehicle. Unlock, lock, and this opens the front trunk. And we do have a cool 911 carbon ceramic brake keychain. We do have these 20-inch satin black wheels wrapped in 245/35/20, and the GTS logo on the bottom left side of the door. This one does have the GT silver metallic exterior and our Targa badge. This one does not have the carbon ceramic brake option, but you can get it on the GTS for $9,000. This one does also have smoke taillights and the 911 Targa 4 GTS badge on the back with dual exhaust down below. Under the hood is a 3.8 liter flat six engine with 483 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. With the 7-speed PDK transmission, one of the best transmission in the car industry. Fuel filler cap does take 93 octane. And come around the front, we do have our Porsche exclusive LED headlights. So you can see, just the slide of my finger, I can open it up, and then there's a red latch just to the left. So you can see plenty of front trunk space with your battery tender located under here with washer fluid. And to close it, get it to that position, just push. This one does have the $4,000 Burmester sound system option and the 911 Targa illuminated skid plates. You can also open the front hatch and the back. Porsche style ignition on the left side. Beautiful sounding engine. 3-person memory. Automatic front windows. Power folding mirrors and power mirror adjustments. You do have a very configurable center gauge cluster with the Porsche tachometer in the middle and the GTS logo right in the middle of it. You can also open up your exhaust valves. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it does make the exhaust louder, and you can raise the front for getting over low clearance areas. You can also push this button and that firms up the suspension, turn off the traction control, and you can put down the Targa top using these two buttons here. Heated and ventilated seats, center cup holder, USB-C port located in there, windshield wiper controlled automatic high beams, and you have your cruise control settings with your drive mode selector. Sport, Sport Plus, normal, wet, and individual mode. You can configure individual mode. You can have the steering set to sport, and you can have the suspension set to comfort or normal. We have all sorts of settings, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can turn off the start-stop feature. This vehicle, even before you actually come to a complete stop, the engine will shut off. So it's a much smoother start-stop system than a lot of the competitors. You have your weather, phone, and your music, Sirius XM, AM, map that is fully, that has the satellite view, air conditioning vehicle, very configurable center screen with your timer in the center of the dashboard that also doubles as a clock, and an auto dimming rear view mirror with dome lighting and an SOS button. Vanity mirror. And I'll show you the back seat. As you can see, it's very small. You can use, most people will use it for storage, but if you have small children, that would work as well. And you can access it by pulling a latch on the seat. You also have a 360-degree backup camera, and to put it in park, just push this button. But if you want to go into manual mode and use the paddle shifters, push this button here. You have your volume and tune knob, as well as your temperature adjustments and your fan speed adjustments. You have your headlights and fog lights and the hazards. We'll take a walk around the exterior of the 911. Absolutely love the smoked taillight look on the 911s. I think it looks gorgeous, especially in this silver color. LED blinkers. Also located right here. Absolutely stunning vehicle. We'll go ahead and shut her down. You have your favorites button tuned to the next track, voice commands, and on this side you have your end call and go back, and then you can make adjustments in the instrument panel as well, and your volume knob. A little bit of storage that's carpeted so it doesn't rattle around. Power seat adjustments, and you can also extend the thigh support. With the Targa, you kind of get the best of both worlds. You get the look of a coupe, but you get also the fun factor of a convertible. One of my favorite 911 models. Same thing on this side. You get a little bit more storage here. Also the same seat adjustments. And to get in the back, you see this latch. You just pull it. You can hang your coat on the top here. You also have car seat anchors and speakers. And back there is where the Targa top will rest when it's in the open position. And you get a second hidden cup holder, Porsche carpeted floor mats, and a little storage net. Actually pretty solid considering what kind of a cup holder it is. Get this brushed aluminum look that looks really good. And a sizable glove box. Vents up here as well that are adjustable. And an airbag. This one also does have the sport pedals. You can also use the back when the Targa top is in place. You could use the back for storage. So So it is a very practical vehicle. The 911 GTS is a perfect compromise between performance and comfort. I hope you guys enjoyed this full review of this 2023 911 Targa 4 GTS. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.